In a world filled with constant noise, we often forget to listen to ourselves. The noise surrounds us, bombarding our senses from every direction. It's not just the external noise that affects us, but the internal noise as well.
Depression, anxiety, the voice in our minds that never seems to quiet down.
Now it's time to turn down the volume on the noise and turn up the volume on self-care and mental well-being. Surround yourself with positivity, with people who lift you up and support you. Break free from the chains of self-doubt and negative thoughts. You have to reach out for help when you need it. Remember that you are not alone.